Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking Overseas. Today we're diving into the Arabic cuisine with a traditional and very delicious dish, fried rice and chicken. This recipe is easy and straightforward. However, achieving the desired excellence requires attention to a few essential tips and tricks. Let's get started. First, let's boil the chicken. To 2 or 3 liters of boiling water, add onions, tomatoes, carrots, celery, bay leaves, and dry cardamom. Add the chicken pieces. You can use any part of the chicken. Add black pepper and salt to taste. Cover and let it cook for 45 minutes on medium heat. Check that the chicken temperature is above 165 or 170 degrees. Take out the chicken. Then let's fry the chicken. To a frying pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of oil, add the chicken, sear for a few minutes, then flip it on the other side. Now let's make the fried rice. Add 3 tablespoons of butter to a pan. And then add half cup of vermicelli. Cook on medium heat for 2-3 minutes until golden brown. Keep stirring so it doesn't burn. Add 2 cups of washed rice. It's preferred to add it portion by portion. Cook for a few minutes. Add chicken stock, enough to cover the rice by 1 inch. Once boiling, cover and cook on low heat. Let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that, check if the rice is done. Now, let's enjoy our fried rice with chicken. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious episode. Until next time, happy cooking!